And here we have it. This is just my normal process that I do when I am going to the grocery store. So what we do here is we're going to get over here. I'm going to put a little plastic bag over here. So as I cut the chicken and take the skin off, I just go right in it, okay? And what you do is just make sure that you have, because the chicken, I just rinsed it, and it could possibly be that it is going to be a little bit juicy. So you're going to have it, and what you don't want to do is get it all over the place. All right, so what we're going to do is start with our wings. Just come over here like this. Start with our wings. Take our knife and come right around just like this through the joint. Just like that. This is the easy peasy way to cut up a chicken. So there we go. We've got now a wing. Okay, and so what I'm going to do with this as I work my way through, I'm going to cut right through the tip of the wing and get rid of that. Then I'm going to cut through it again just like this, so that I get a couple of wing pieces. And then I'm going to flip him over like this now and come on the back side. So you see how you just make a little cut, you leave the meat with the meat and the bone with the bone, so you get a nice clean joint like this, okay? And then we're going to come right back into our wing piece here, and I'm going to crack him. There he is. And we're going to cut right through here, just right through here. He's being nasty, and then I'm going to cut him through here again, and he's just going to go, and you could hear it snap. Hear it snap, everybody? Okay, so there we go. All right, so now we've got ourselves...
You disjointed him.
He's now disjointed. Okay. All right, and so you see I've got a lot of water under here because I rinsed him off. There we go.
You gave him a bath.
And but I always like to rinse my chicken, although it's rinsed from the slaughterhouse. All right, and then what we do is we just slide down there and then snap back like this on your thigh, and you just cut around, leave the bone and the meat together, and then over here you see the bone where it came out, okay? So this is Chef Pete, and as always, we try to help you guys with simple things, and if you're not experienced using knives, okay, you be very careful with what you're doing, or when you go to the store, buy a cut up chicken that the butcher has already cut, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is here, Anthony will show you, you see this dotted line right here? If I cut right there, there's the joint. Okay? There is your joint. So now
And cut.